This week, physicists from all over the world come to Denver, Colorado. The theory? Getting together to learn, share, collaborate and connect is good for us, good for our research, and maybe even good for society. Let's put that to the test right here on APS TV. This is the Global Physics Summit, where physicists from across all disciplines, backgrounds and borders have gathered together with colleagues to help take their work and the work of their collaborators to the next level. I'm Clara Nellist, particle physicist, and this week your host for APS TV. In a series of interviews, stories and features, we're making it our mission to head to the talks, the poster sessions and the networking events where it's all happening, from quantum clocks to polar bear hair. Stay with us to discover it all. And beyond the convention centre, APS TV also features the research groups and companies focusing year-round on pushing the research and the technology one step forward. Discover the full scope of discovery science as we check in on some of the research groups asking the deepest questions about how the universe works. From cosmology to fusion energy, check out these curious and ambitious teams. Quantum computing is developing rapidly. From superconductors to carbon nanotubes, more qubits are being created and more errors corrected than ever before. Go behind the scenes at some of the world's leaders in this technology. As the world gets quantum ready, researchers around the world are also providing the tools and infrastructure to make it happen, and for us to use it most effectively. Check out these groups spanning cryogenic cooling, photon detection, system integration, and more. Quantum tech will open up a world of possibility, but new hardware will need new software. We checked in on the groups translating quantum capability into real-world impact, from optimization algorithms and quantum machine learning. It's time to get started as posters get tacked in, slide decks get booted up, and dilution fridges polished on the exhibit floor. Make sure to watch all of APS TV by heading to YouTube, Instagram, or catching us right here in the Convention Centre.